Hello everyone, I am C. Abhinaya from Group 3 from Kyrgyz National University. Today I am going to explain about the major important organ present in our body, which is spleen. Spleen, which is a lymphoid organ present in our left hypochondrial region. Spleen function. It helps in the maturation of RBC, storage of RBC, and worn out the dead or immature RBC. Location. According to Harris Dictum, he arranged the numbers according to order. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 1 which indicates the thickness of spleen, 3 which indicates the breadth of the spleen, 5 which indicates the length of the spleen, and 7 which indicates the weight of the spleen. We also say it as a ohms. And 11 and 9 ribs where the spleen is present. And next we are going to see about the external features. Spleen which has two ends, anterior and posterior end. Anterior end which is broader than posterior end. In anterior end, below it there is a phrenocholic ligament, which in splenomegaly, which is an extension of spleen which will increase in size. In splenomegaly, it will extend toward the right iliac fossa, and it will not extend towards the left because there is a presence of ligament which is phrenocholic ligament. And next we will see about the two surfaces, diaphragmatic surface and visceral surface. Diaphragmatic surface which present in the anterior side and visceral surface which present in the posterior side. And there is three borders, superior, intermediate and inferior. In superior there is two notches which is called splenic notch. And next we are going to see about this. In this, the green part which indicates the renal impression, gastric impression, it has the part of stomach, and in blue part which indicates the renal impression which has kidney, and the brown colored part which indicates the pancreatic impression, the tail of pancreas is present, and pink color indicates the colic impression where splenic flexure of colon is present. And next about the blood supply, atrial blood supply, it's supplied by splenic artery which comes from the branch of abdominal aorta through splenic artery to spleen, which is covered by linorenal ligament. And about hilaric branch, there is two branches, compact and diffused. In compact, where the splenic artery comes and divides into branches into the spleen, whereas the diffuse spleen, it gets branched outside and gets into the spleen. And next we are going to see about the venous drainage. The blue colored part which indicates the splenic vein which is deep into the pancreas, and so above it there is a red colored line which is called splenic artery which is above it. The splenic vein and superior mesenteric artery both combines and form portal vein. Next about the accessory splenic ligament and rupture of it. Accessory splenic ligament are four types: gastrosplenic ligament, linorenal splenic ligament, greater omentum, and the last one is broader side of uterus, which is rarely occurs. And the fourth one is broader ligament of uterus on left side, which is rare. And about rupture, the most rupture commonly occur in abdomen. The most prone organ to rupture is spleen, which occurs by pooling of blood which irritates the left dome of diaphragm and phrenic nerve C3 to C7, which radiates pain to left shoulder tip, which is Kern sign. And there is avascular plane which divides spleen into superior and inferior part. There is no blood supply, which is very prone for surgical. Thank you.